The reason why you're not flourishing, the reason why you're not doing the things that you think you should be doing, the reason why you're not getting paid the amount that you deserve, the reason why you're not at the point that you believe you should be in is because your energy is being invested everywhere else but back to you. Everything else, like you're planting seeds everywhere else and they're growing, but you have yet to plant your own seed. And if you did plant it, you're not watering it, you're not giving it no sunlight, you're not doing the things that it needs, that you need so you can grow. You just like helping out, you like putting your all into all these other things, that's cool. But you have to have some energy for you. You have to be your best investment. Because in my personal opinion, I think anyone who invests in themselves, that's the best investment anyone can make. Putting that energy back into you, planting your own seed and watching yourself grow, I think that's the best investment. So you need to think about that. Where's my time being put into? Where's my energy being put into? How much effort am I putting in this thing as opposed to myself? You plant a seed, a certain fruit or a certain veggie. That fruit or that veggie, whatever it is, that does not grow overnight. It doesn't grow as soon as you plant it. There is no magic water, no magic soil that you can put it in to make it grow from one night to the next to its full potential, right? You have to give it time. You have to have patience. Some of you are planting the seed and trying to eat the seed. You just planted it yesterday and you already trying to eat it. That's why it don't taste good. That's why you eat nothing but soil. You have to plant the seed and you have to give it time. You have to work on it daily. You have to water it. You have to give it sunlight. You have to make sure it has everything that it needs. And just because you plant one, you don't have to sit there and wait for that one to grow. But you have to make sure that you're watering it every single day. You have to make sure that it's getting the right amount of sunlight every single day. While you plant that seed, you can go plant another. You can go plant another seed. But you have to make sure that you water it just enough. You have to make sure it has just enough sunlight. And you have to be careful. You don't want to plant too many seeds to where one's getting neglected and another one's getting all the love, or vice versa. Like, you have to have the right balance. You have to have enough for you to handle. Patience is key.